Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your battery on a Nissan Rogue. And this is the 2016 model, but I believe it's the same thing for 2015 and upwards. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to change your battery, alright? And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Help me help you. Alright guys, let's do this right here. So it's gonna be 10 millimeter for the battery poles right here, 10 millimeter, and these also 10 millimeter. You're gonna need if you can do it with just a wrench alone, 10 millimeter wrench, take off all this. Alright, you can use it with that, or you can use it with a power tool like what I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna try it like this first. That work. Shake it up, take it out. Leave that over there. Get this side out. Like that. Now, what you want to do is I dropped my nut down there. Alright, as you see, I dropped my nut down there, but don't worry about it, because when I take the battery out, I can get it right there. But be careful not to drop them, alright? So to be careful, you want to keep your finger underneath it while it come up, and you take it off like this, alright? Just be extra careful, that's all to it. So I'm going to take this off right here. And I'm going to lift the battery out. Have the hand right here. Take that out. Okay, so now I'm going to get my nut that drop right here. Luckily for me, it dropped here, nowhere else. Just be careful, you might not be that lucky. Alright, so now what I want to do is put on the cover on my back, put the battery in first. Positive to your right, to the right of the vehicle, and to the left of you. And negative to the right of you, and to the left of the vehicle, alright? Take up these because they fall down. So just pick them up, you'll be alright. The battery is in place. So what you want to do now? Alright guys, so what I do is I take out back the battery, and you have two hooks. Alright, one is longer than the other one. Alright. So the longer one will go to the front, and you will have to hook it to right here. I don't know if you can see that good, but right here, it's got a hole right there. You just have to hook it in there, alright? And on the other side, right here, you just have to hook this right here. Alright, so the long one goes to the front, over here, to the front of the vehicle, and the other one goes to the back. Alright. Alright, so you want to go ahead and get this, and hook them up now. The longer one goes to the front. hook it, you want to hold it like that. Alright? Hook it and hold it, alright? So it don't drop down and fall off. Now you want to hook the other side. I'll hold it up. Alright. And as easy as that, alright? Just gotta hold them and hook them up, alright? They'll tend to come out. So now what I want to do is connect my positive cable first. Connect my positive cable first. So now on this type of battery, this can't go there, so you're gonna need a 10mm. And the reason why I hook the positive side first, just in case I go down and I touch the metal right here, nothing happened, because the car is, I didn't hook the negative side, and the negative part in the car is the whole car, the whole body is negative, and the positive is right there. Alright, so now I hook the negative up. Tighten it up. Alright, and that's how you change your battery. And I forget to put this, so I'm gonna take it out and put it over, take off this and that, and put this over it. So don't forget this, alright? But yeah, everything is good. That's how you do it. And you can go ahead and put back your thing, but you have to do the whole do the whole process over without removing the battery to put on that part. But that's how you do it, and after that you want to double check it. And guys, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button to help me help you. This could be your next car, my next video could be your next problem you're working on. So thanks for the support. See you next time.